Let's jump into 5 real side hustles that'll make money fast. I've been self-employed now for over 3 decades, and in that time, I've learned a few things about how to make money. So we're going to go through this list of 5 things, and the first one is one of my first businesses that I actually started, and it was a cotton candy machine. What I did was I went out and bought a cotton candy machine and sold cotton candy. And there's a couple different ways that you can do this. I mentioned this in one of my previous videos. You might need to go to a restaurant. Back then it was a little bit different, but you might need to go to a restaurant and just use their kitchen in the off time. And what you can do is simply bag up cotton candy. It costs about 10 to 12 cents a bag. And you go set up stores, and when you set those stores up, you set it up on what's called consignment. So you go in with fresh cotton candy once a week, and basically you sell it to them for $2. They turn around and sell it for $3 or $4. They double their money. You come in and you take out all the bad, bring in new, and then subtract that out. So really, it's a win for you, it's a win for them, it's a win for the customer. There's no way they can lose money this way. The other thing that you can do is go around to different events, whether it's, you can go to different trade shows, you can go to any craft fairs, any type of events that you can set up your stand and sell cotton candy. It's a great way to make money, but you're going to need just a little bit of hustle. That's it. Number 2 is one that I really like, and that's a power washing business. And the reason I like the power washing business is it's really straightforward and easy to do. You can literally approach this in a couple different ways. Yes, you need a power washer. After you get your power washer, in order to get business, number 1, you can put it out on Facebook that you're doing power washing. Number 2, that I like the best, and I've been extremely successful as a local brick and mortar business and service business, and that's running Facebook ads. Literally, for a couple dollars a day, you can run a Facebook ad to a geographical area and go in and start power washing houses. And then the cheapest way to do it is to make up a little flyer and go and either knock on doors or put it in paper boxes, not mailboxes. But I really like power washing because it's easy to do, low barrier to entry, and you can start making money fast. You do need a power washer. Hey, if you like this video so far, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I am happy to answer those. And if you're looking for other side hustles, there's more videos on that right here as well. This next one is absolutely free, and it's just selling the stuff that you already have. And I'm going to give you a couple tips on how you can do that a little better than most people. Look around your house for items that you don't need. Even ask some family members, hey, are there any items that you don't need that I could sell? I'll split the money with you, whatever you need to do. But before you start putting them up for sale, do a little bit of research. And whether you do this on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist, I would go and look at the items that are for sale, the items that you want to sell. Look at the prices that they're asking, and also, more importantly, look at the description as well as how many photos. It's proven that if you have more than four photos, you are far more likely to sell that item. And a lot of the items that don't sell have 1 or 2 photos. People really don't care, or they don't know how to put together a good advertisement. So do some research, go out and do the max number of photos that you can and sell your items. And this one doesn't cost you a dime, just a little bit of time. Number 4 is flip free items. This doesn't take any items of yours, because eventually if you sell everything, you're gonna be sitting in your house, an empty house with nothing, right? But what you do is you go on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace and look for items in your area that people are just giving away for free. They want to get rid of them. Here's another pro tip. You can put out your own advertisement that says, let me know if you have free items, I'll come pick them up, right? It's going to take the gas money for you to get there, but you can go pick up free items that people just want to get rid of. And when you get a message, you can decide whether that's something that you think you can resell. But basically what you're going to do is get on Craigslist, get on Facebook Marketplace, find free items, especially things like furniture that you can clean up and flip quickly. And boy, you'll find a ton of couches that people just don't want to try to move and that you can get rid of. So I would definitely recommend this. And this one, once again, a little bit of hustle, but doesn't cost you any money whatsoever up front. The last one I've been doing for coming up on 2 years now, and it's a great side hustle, and that is starting a TikTok channel. And if you're not sure exactly what to do, down below in the description, I have a 7-step checklist that takes you through exactly what you need to do in order to start a TikTok channel. I don't go through exact setup, but I give you some tips on that, but how to create videos that are going to sell, videos that are going to get attention, get views, get more followers. And basically, like anything, just like here on YouTube, you want to be helpful. And on TikTok, I recommend that you go with some type of quick tip. Let's say you're going to offer some type of product or service, or you say, boy, I want to start a TikTok channel, I don't know what to do. I recommend you do something in affiliate marketing. For instance, go to ClickBank, look for an offer, and for instance, let's say you find a weight loss offer, something on fasting, and you say, you know what, I'm going to create a channel on fasting, and then this is going to be my offer, and literally start giving helpful, real fasting tips. And people say, well, I like fasting, this is my niche, but I don't know exactly what tips I should talk about. This is easy. Go to Google and type in top fasting tips, top weight loss tips, right? And then you can start creating short videos. I recommend, once again, the 15-second or less, quick tips on those specific things, and you'll have a ton of content. You'll start to build a following and build trust. And then the more you do this, the more likely people are to purchase a product when you recommend it. Like I mentioned, I really like the side hustle space because I've been in it for years. And so I've put together this playlist right here that goes through even more side hustles that I think will be helpful for you on your journey. Thanks for watching.